So if you ever noticed those channels, the ones just completely dominating your YouTube feed lately?
Oh, yeah, the faceless ones with the 3D documentary style.
Exactly. Pulling, I mean, millions of views, serious income.
Yeah.
We're talking about those faceless 3D documentary channels, where everything's computer-generated visuals,
Mm.
maybe an AI voice,
Yeah.
no actual person on screen.
Right. And it wasn't long ago that making something like that was just hugely complex.
Totally. You needed skilled editors, expensive gear,
Mm-hmm.
tons of time learning software. It was a massive barrier.
For sure.
Well, here's the thing, and this is the core of our deep dive today.
Hmm.
There's now a blueprint, basically, to make these videos.
Mm-hmm.
And AI does, like, almost all the heavy lifting.
It's like a massive shift, really, in how this kind of sophisticated content gets made.
So our mission today, we're going to unpack exactly how these channels get built, from the ground up.
Yeah, look at the specific AI tools, the workflows.
And figure out how they get such, well, impressive results, surprisingly easily in some ways.
That's right. I mean, what used to be this incredibly high hurdle, it's become, well, remarkably accessible.
So where are we getting our info for this?
Our insights today, they come directly from a really comprehensive source. It's excerpts from a YouTube video called I Cloned a $50,000 month 3D documentary channel using AI, full course. It's
Right.
from the Money Degree channel. They're known for breaking down these cutting-edge digital business models.
Gotcha.
So yeah, get ready. This isn't just going to be a list of tools. It's more like a shortcut to understanding a whole new way of creating content.
Right.
There are some surprising facts in here and really actionable stuff about using AI strategically in media.
Okay, and this is where it gets really interesting, right?
Yeah.
The proof points from the source material, the actual success stories.
They really are striking.
They kind of underscore the potential here, don't they?
They absolutely do. I mean, we're talking about creators seeing just explosive growth.
Like what? Give us an example.
Okay, so get this. One creator, only 10 videos uploaded, gets monetized.
Wow.
Grows to over 200,000 subscribers and consistently pulls in over 1 million views per video.
For video, with only 10 up.
Yeah. Then there's another one, same niche, just 5 videos.
5
videos, over 200,000 subs again, and nearly 20 million total views.
That's insane.
And maybe the most remarkable, a third creator, just 2 videos posted.
2.
Got monetized super early, started earning revenue in their very first month. It just shows you the potential for rapid growth is definitely there.
And there's a big example channel the source mentions, right? Fern?
Yeah, Fern. It's kind of held up as a prime example in this space. The estimate is $50,000 a month just from AdSense.
$50,000 a month.
Yep. Based on about 18 million views monthly, and the RPM that's revenue per 1,000 views is around $3.
Okay, $3 RPM might not sound huge to everyone, but with 18 million views.
Exactly. The sheer volume makes it incredibly solid. It adds up fast.
So what makes this niche so good for new creators right now?
Well, what's fascinating and what the source points out is why it's so good.
Yeah.
You see this pattern, right? These high-earning channels exist alongside lots of smaller up-and-coming ones.
Okay.
That tells you the market is active, it's expanding. It signals that, hey, now is actually a pretty good time to jump in.
Makes sense. An active ecosystem.
Exactly. And the other key thing, the branding. All these successful channels have really strong, consistent channel branding that clearly plays a big role in, their growth and keeping their audience hooked.
Okay, let's unpack that.
Yeah.
Let's get into how AI basically tears down that first barrier, getting professional level branding without being a design genius.
Yeah.
Starts with identity, right?
Precisely. And ChatGPT is incredibly powerful for this initial stage.
How so?
Well, you can prompt it, ask it to generate, say, 10 channel name ideas. You tell it you want names styled like Fern, Atrium, Cypher.
Ah, those short, memorable, kind of evocative names.
Exactly. Short, clear, memorable. Once you've got a name you like, you go back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write your channel description. Make it SEO optimized, make it hooking, make it sound, human. It just simplifies what used to be a ton of guesswork and rewriting.
Okay, name and description sorted. What about the visuals? That first impression, that's where a lot of people fall down, even with good ideas.
Super crucial point. For the logo, you take that channel name and you use ChatGPT to create a text-to-image prompt specifically for it.
Right.
Then you feed that prompt into something like Leonardo AI. You pick a model known for that 3D render style Leonardo Phoenix has mentioned, set the aspect ratio to 1.1, and boom, you get these minimalist, high-quality logos. Super fast.
And the banner, the big image at the top of the channel page.
For that, the source suggests using Canva. They have YouTube banner templates already set up.
Right, Canva's pretty user-friendly.
Totally. Customize a template, keep it minimalistic, put your channel name front and center, maybe add a little touch like videos uploaded almost every week just to give it some personality.
So the insight there is speed and polish without needing design skills.
Exactly. You can get a really professional look very quickly.
Okay, branding's looking good.
Yeah.
But the best channel won't matter if nobody finds it.
Yeah.
Visibility, discoverability on YouTube. That's next, right?
Absolutely critical. And again, AI tools help here. Our source talks about using VidIQ's AI coach.
VidIQ, yeah, I know them. Analytics tool.
Right. You use their AI coach to generate a list of optimized channel tags. It uses real-time trend data tailored to your channel. Then you just add those tags into your YouTube Studio settings.
Simple enough. What else?
Beyond tags, a couple of essential things. Confirm your phone number with YouTube.
Why is that important?
It's a clear signal to YouTube that you're a real person, that the channel is authentic, not just some low-quality spam operation. They prioritize verified channels.
Okay, makes sense. Anything else?
Yeah, and here's a great pro tip from the source to avoid that dreaded 0 views trap on your first video.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Before you upload anything, spend about a week just actively using YouTube from that account.
Just watching stuff.
Watching stuff, liking, commenting, subscribing, just interact naturally. It helps to warm up the account.
Ah, so YouTube's algorithm sees it as an active, engaged account before you start posting.
Exactly. It apparently helps with getting better initial engagement on your own videos.
Clever. Okay, so the channel's set up, branded, primed for visibility. Now the main event, actually making the video. This is where AI becomes like a whole production studio, right?
It really is remarkable. It handles tasks that, yeah, used to need a whole team.
So how does that workflow start?
It all kicks off back in ChatGPT with some pretty detailed prompt preparation done in multiple steps.
Okay.
First, topic generation. You can actually copy titles from successful channels like Fern, feed them to ChatGPT.
Why do that?
It helps ChatGPT understand the common themes, the narrative structures, the emotional triggers that work in this niche.
Ah, learning from what's already successful.
Precisely. Then you ask it to generate new original video topics, but ones that have that similar viral potential based on what it just learned.
Smart. Okay, got a topic. Then what?
Then script writing. You tell ChatGPT, write a complete, highly engaging script for a viral YouTube documentary video. Style it like these popular creators. You can even specify the length, say 2 minutes or up to 15, 20 minutes.
And it's writes the script.
Writes the whole script.
Yeah.
Next step, image prompts. You ask ChatGPT to generate detailed prompts for images in that 3D animation style.
Okay.
You need enough visuals, right?
Right.
So you ask for maybe 15, 25 prompts for a 2-minute video, figuring each image will be on screen for 3 to 5 seconds.
Right, planning out the visual pacing.
Exactly. After image prompts, you generate animation prompts. These are detailed instructions based on the script and the images on how to bring those static images to life.
So not just what image, but how it should move.
Precisely. And finally, sound effect prompts. Based on everything generated so far, script, images, animation ideas, ChatGPT suggests sound effects for each scene.
Wow, so it basically builds the entire blueprint for the video.
That's the key insight here. AI provides this incredible modularity and scale. It turns this complex, multi-person, multi-software process into a sequence driven by prompts.
Okay, so ChatGPT acts like the entire pre-production and content development team. That's wild. How do you actually turn all those prompts, the script, image ideas, animation notes, into the final video?
Right, that's where a comprehensive platform like Video Talk, mentioned in the source, comes in. It integrates these steps.
Okay, walk us through it.
First, the voiceover. You import that script ChatGPT wrote. You select a voice. The source mentions one called Johnny specifically, liked its vibe. And the platform automatically generates the voiceover and puts it right onto the video timeline.
Okay, voice is done. Images.
Next, image creation. You paste in those image prompts ChatGPT generated. You choose powerful image models. Google Imagen 4 Ultra is mentioned to set the ratio to 16.9 for YouTube.
It generates the pictures.
Generates high-quality images for every scene. And critically, you can do this in bulk. Huge time saver.
Bulk generation. Nice. Okay, now animating them.
Yep, video animation. You take those static images and apply the animation prompts you generated earlier.
Using what?
The source mentions advanced animation models like Hailuo Pro, capable of producing really high-quality, realistic, stable animations. Each clip might take, say, 1-2 minutes to generate.
That's pretty quick for animation.
It is. And again, you can often do this in bulk, too.
Okay, voice, visuals, animation, sound effects.
Sound effects integration is next. You add them based on the prompts ChatGPT gave you,
Hmm.
or the tool usually has its own library of effects you can use, or you can upload your own custom sounds.
Right.
Finally, the video editing. You assemble all these pieces, the animated clips, the voiceover, the sound effects on the timeline, sync everything up.
Uh-huh.
You can add optional things like background music. The tip is to lower its volume to around -20 decibels so it doesn't overpower the voice, and that's basically your video.
And the source showed an example of this, right? A video about that hacker kid, Jonathan James.
Yeah, Jonathan James, the teen who breached the Pentagon. They showed a video generated using this exact process.
And how did it look?
Honestly, really impressive. High-quality visuals, compelling storyline. The animations were spot on.
So it actually works in practice.
It absolutely demonstrates the potential. It proves these tools can deliver a polished, engaging final product that, traditionally would have cost a lot of time and money.
Okay, so the video's done, looks great. But like we said, it needs to be seen. Optimization is key. What are those final steps for uploading to YouTube and getting eyeballs on it?
Right. Crucial last stage. So you upload the video file to YouTube Studio. First step, the title. You use that SEO-friendly title that ChatGPT helped you craft earlier.
Okay, got it. Thumbnail. That's huge for clicks.
Absolutely huge.
Yeah.
For the thumbnail, you go back to ChatGPT again. This time, you tell it to act like an expert thumbnail designer specializing in that 3D render style.
Huh, giving it a roll.
Yeah, it generates a detailed text image prompt for the thumbnail. You take that prompt, feed it into Leonardo AI, again using that Phoenix model, 16.9 ratio this time.
And it spits out thumbnail options.
Exactly. Impressive samples designed specifically to grab attention, designed for virality.
Nice. What about the description and tags under the video?
For that, back to VidIQ's AI coach. You give it your video title,
Wow.
and it generates a full SEO-optimized description, including a strong hook at the beginning and relevant hashtags. Plus, it gives you a list of viral video tags to add.
So AI handles the metadata too. Any settings in YouTube Studio we need to worry about?
Yes, two important ones mentioned. Set, is this video made for kids? To no.
Right?
And importantly, set, does this video contain altered content? To yes. You need to disclose that AI was used in the creation.
Okay, transparency. Good. Then what?
Then just final checks. Make sure everything looks okay. Check that it's fully monetizable, no obvious copyright issues. Then you set the visibility to public.
And hit
And hit publish. You're live.
Wow. Okay, so what does this all really mean then? We've basically walked through the entire journey from just an idea to a fully produced, optimized YouTube video, all significantly powered by AI tools. It's such a massive change for that high barrier to entry we talked about at the start.
It really is. And I think the key takeaway from the source material sums it up perfectly. It says, making money with a faceless channel isn't as hard as you think,
Okay.
but it does take a lot of work and consistency to really make it happen.
So it's not magic.
Exactly. It's a powerful tool, an incredible enabler, no doubt. But it's not a magic button. The work shifts, right?
Yeah.
Less technical editing maybe, more prompt engineering, more strategy. But that consistent effort, still absolutely vital.
That makes sense. So final thought here. If AI can now automate creating this kind of sophisticated documentary content, what does that mean for, traditional storytelling, traditional production?
Yeah.
What kind of new media forms might pop up as these tools get even easier for literally anyone to use? It kind of pushes the boundaries of what one person can create, doesn't it?
It really does raise that big question, doesn't it? You have to consider the broader implications of AI across all creative fields. How might these technologies not just make current things faster or cheaper, but actually enable completely new kinds of personal expression? Or, totally new business ventures that we haven't even conceived of yet.
Yeah.
The whole landscape of content creation is just changing so fast. It's fascinating to think about where it all goes next.